sanitize, 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 guys. We are back to where we were a year ago. As COVID numbers take a climb, I created a simple soup at home to help fight back with herbs and different spices and things that will help your body's immunity be boosted. First things first, we start off with carrots. Carrots are an excellent source of vitamin A and C. It can help boost your immune system by building antibodies and protecting the skin and eyes. Also in my soup, I used a cup of cilantro, which has antimicrobial and antibacterial properties and contains vitamin C and vitamin K. I also used extra virgin olive oil to saute my herbs and my chicken. Palmetto Olive Oil is a locally owned company and it features the freshest selection of flavored extra virgin olive oil and vinegars. Extra virgin olive oil is healthy in antioxidants, and the one that I have featured here is one that I got from Christmas from my mom. It's actually packed with rosemary, which also has a medicinal purpose as well. So I sauteed my chicken and my vegetables with my olive oil. After sauteing, I added 16 ounces of chicken broth and also a bag of spinach. I added a whole white onion because they did not have yellow to the soup as well. And I also had some red onion left over from a salad, and I used that too. Onions are known for their antibacterial properties and are also rich in antioxidants. The soup was absolutely delicious, and it was really helpful in helping me heal. Symptoms can be a little wonky for everybody, but I started out with a typical fever and cough and very sore throat. I mean, very, very sore throat. So the soup definitely came in handy. Some of the other things that I had to do in the house to keep things afloat was also to make sure that we were staying hydrated. So lots of juice, lots of water, freshly squeezed juice if you can, fresh lemonade, because really lemons are one of the things that I can taste because I did lose my sense of smell and taste, which sucks. Making sure that you have plenty of Motrin on hand for the children, plenty of games for them to participate in or things to do because they do kind of get a little stir crazy being at home. So today we are out running several errands and COVID numbers have spiked. We're definitely going to be taking precautions as we're out here. But we have to go and get the oil changed, and then I have to cancel a subscription, and then I need a shower curtain rod. I need to get some gas. It's like 40 degrees out, so it's pretty chilly because my car gas light is on and it's not gonna automatically start if I don't. So yeah, so now we have a full tank of gas. I work in healthcare. I'm a nurse. COVID did strike in my family. I will say that there's going to continue to be different strains of COVID, and you want to just make sure that you are protecting yourself as best as you can. As much as I hate wearing a mask, it's really one of the things that has helped decrease the numbers. And so if you were not, or if you are not wearing your mask to go into stores and things like that, I definitely would probably consider, especially now with the numbers being where they are, go back to wearing your mask. Even though it's not mandated, it's not mandatory, if you want to keep you and your family safe and other people safe, just wear your mask. That's all I got for that. All right, let's run these errands. So, moral of the story is if you are outside in the open and you're to yourself, definitely take in some breaths of fresh air without a mask. But if you are going to be in stores, in crowded places, be a part of the solution. Wear your mask. Help protect yourself and others, because the symptoms of fever, loss of taste and smell, diarrhea, cough, sore throat, all of that is no fun. Believe me, just did it. No fun. Not worth it, okay? I have several things coming up that require for me to have a keen sense of smell, and that has now been set back, and I am really, really flustered about it. Let alone being away from my unit. I absolutely hate that as well. This is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye-bye.